think I turn around and say that it's too late to apologize. It's too late, yeah.
If you ever been, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know? This could be the end of everything, so why don't we go somewhere only we know?
And the walls